Ubaldo then and puissant Rosamond of Lancaster the heir in rank succeed. Let none forget Obizzo of Tuscan land, while worthy praise for many a worthy deed. Nor those three brethren, Lombards fierce and yond, Achilles, Sforza, and stern Palamede, nor Oton's shield he conquered in those stowers, in which a snake a naked child devours. Guascher and Rafe and valor like there was, the one and other Guido famous both, Germair and Eberard to overpass, in foul oblivion would my muse be loth. With his Gildippes dear, Edward, alas, a loving pair to war among them goeth, in bond of virtuous love together tied, together served they, and together died. In school of love are all things taught we see, there learned this maid of arms the ireful guise, still by his side a faithful guard went she, one true love not their lives together ties, no would to one alone could dangerous be, but each the smart of other's anguish tries. If one were hurt, the other felt the sore, she lost her blood, he spent his life therefore. But these and all Rinaldo far exceeds, star of his sphere, the diamond of this ring, the nest where courage with sweet mercy breeds, a comet worthy each eye's wondering. His years are fewer than his noble deeds, his fruit is ripe soon as his blossoms spring. Armed a Mars might coyous Venus move, and if disarmed, then God himself of love. Sophia by Adige flowery bank him bore, Sophia the fair, spouse to Bertoldo great, fit mother for that pearl, and before the tender imp was weaned from the teat, the Princess Maud him took, in virtue's lore she brought him up fit for each worthy feat, till of these wares the golden trump he hears, that soundeth glory, fame, praise in his ears. And then, though scantly 3 times 5 years old, he fled alone by many an unknown coast, or Aegean seas by many a Greekish hold, till he arrived at the Christian host. A noble flight, adventurous, brave, and bold, whereon a valiant prince might justly boast. 3 years he served in field, when scant begin few golden hairs to deck his ivory chin. The horsemen passed, their void-left stations fill the bands on foot, and Raymond them beforn, of Toulouse lord, from lands near Piran hill, by Garonne streams, and salt sea billows worn. 4,000 foot he brought, well armed, and skill had they all pains and travels to have borne. Stout men of arms, and with their guide of power, like Troy's old town, defenced with Ilion's tower. Next Stephen of Amboise did 5,000 lead, the men he pressed from Tours and Blois but late, to hard assays unfit, unsure at need, yet armed to point in well-attempted plate. The land did like itself the people breed. The soil is gentle, smooth, soft, delicate. Boldly they charge, but soon retire for doubt, like fire of straw, soon kindled, soon burnt out. The third Alcasto marched, and with him the boaster brought 6,000 Switzers bold. Audacious were their looks, their faces grim, strong castles on the Alpine cliffs they hold, their shares in coulters broke, to armours trim they change that metal, cast in warlike mould. And with this band late herds and flocks that guide, now kings and realms he threatened and defied.